Hi, in this video we will learn about the arc command. In AutoCAD you can get arc command from draw and arc, or also from go to direct from dashboard, arc, and so as you can see that there is multiple commands for creating an arc. So these are based on the condition, based on the drawing requirement or as per drawing condition. So our first command is an arc is 3-point arc. So if suppose we have a geometry like this, whether we have a horizontal lines, two horizontal lines and a vertical line. So in arc command, just go to arc, select 3-point, select first point, then second point, and select third point. So as you can see that a arc will be generated, and again select 3-point, or you can directly use from keyboard as a shortcut, like press A, enter. So by default always be 3-point arc, so just press 3 points. So this is how arc will be generated by the arc command. So now another type, go to arc, and here is arc is start, center, or end. And so these arc you can as you can see that the start and center or end. So start, center point is requirement is first in these three arcs, and another three is start or end point are required, and in last three center or start point is required. So now we will use this start and center and end. Select this command, and for this suppose I have a object like this, a L shape. So now in this specify first start point of arc, then center, and in last we will define the end center. So start, center, suppose this is my start point for arc, and this is my center point, second point is a center point, and now you can see that arc will be generated. So suppose if I am clicking on this point, then as you can see that a arc will be generated. So same, just delete this. Same if we choose this option, start, center, angle, select this, just first define start point, then center point. Now the angle of arc. So angle of arc, suppose I am defining 45 degree. Okay, now what is 45 degree? This arc angle is 45 degree, as you can see here, this. So this is 45 degree now. Again, the third option in start, center and length. So select start point, center point. Why I am taking this as a start point every time? Because our angle of rotation of arc is anti-clockwise by default. We can change it clockwise from units. So from units, if when we set up the units, so here is the option clockwise. If you check this option, then the by default rotation angle will be clockwise. So in AutoCAD by default it's unchecked, so the rotation angle is anti-clockwise always. So that's why I am selecting this point always. So again, start, center, and length. So this is my start point, this is my, so in this first option is start an angle. For this just draw a line, suppose 5, and select this option, start and angle. So this is my start point, this is my end point, and just define the angle for this. So suppose angle is 150, sorry, 150, and press enter. So this angle will be 150 for this, from here, this angle from center to this, and this between angle, I am just creating a line from here to here. If you will check this angle, it will be 150 degree. So now you can see here the angle is 150 degree. So this is how we can use this option. Same as this is for the direction, start and direction. This is start, end, and now you can see the direction, in which direction you want to make. You can draw this. Same, there is another option is start, end, and radius. This is the most common command which we use regular. So this is first option point, and this is second end point. Now now it's asking for the radius. So as you can see that in first I select this point as a first point and this point as a second point. So my radius direction is in upside. So if suppose I want this direction in bottom side, so just select again. So now select this point as a first point, and second point is this, and now you can see that the direction is changed. So my radius is 3. So now, so this type you can create an arc between a line, whereas we use 2 points, start and end. So now we will see that how to use these 3 options: center, start end, center start angle, or center start length. For this I am just creating line first. Just go to line, and I am defining the line length 5. Now go to arc, select center, start, end. So let's say this is my center point, this is my start point, and you can see the angle I am defining here 50 degree, and like this you can draw the arc. Same for other type of arc is center, start, angle. So again, this is my center point, this is start point, and angle. So angle is like again I am defining 45 degree. Now you can see here this is 45 degree angle. Then for last, start, center, length, sorry, center, start, length. So again center, start, now define the length of arc. So this maybe I am defining it 6. So if you will check this length from arc end to end point, then it will be 6. So there is one more type of arc is continuous arc. You can see here. So if suppose we just create an arc, and now it's as you can see that this is a 3-point arc. The start is middle point and end point. This arc is ended at this point. So if I select this option continue, so what it will do, it will start start another arc and use end point of previous arc as a start point. So it will continue to that arc. So this is how we can use this arc like this. So every time it will take the previous arc point end point as a start point. So this is how we can make this is how we can use arc commands. Thank you.